Alright guys, so today we'll be doing the ratio test. Basically, the ratio test is one of your tests for convergence for your Taylor series. And it's a good, easy test to typically do for any series, difficult series you come across upon. Typically with rapidly increasing functions and functions that are a series with like an n factorial in your denominator. So let's get into it. So here are your three requirements. 1, 2, 3. If lim as n approaches infinity of absolute value of a sub n plus 1 over a sub n equals L less than 1, then the series a sub n is absolutely convergent. Pretty simple, right? So you do your limit and you just pretty much add 1 to your top, and then you keep your original series the same. And then you solve that, and then you get your limit, and you compare it with 1, and if it's below it, then it's absolutely convergent, you're good to go. For the second, if the limit as n approaches infinity of absolute value of a sub n plus 1 over a sub n equals L greater than 1, or L as n approaches infinity, absolute value of a sub n plus 1 over a sub n equals infinity, then the series a sub n is divergent. So it's basically the same thing with the first one. You set up your series like this, and then you solve, and you get to your limit, and we'll be doing a practice problem later. And then you compare with your value of 1, or if it approaches infinity, which you'll know, and you can, or if it approaches infinity over infinity, use L'Hospitals, and go from there. Finally, here's the third one. If lim as n approaches infinity of absolute value of a sub n plus 1 over a sub n equals 1, then the ratio test is inconclusive. And you have to use another test. You could use other tests like the alternating series test, the nth term test. There are various tests you can use for Taylor series. As I mentioned before, the ratio test works well with series that have parts that grow rapidly, such as n factorial. So basically, yeah, just look at your series and determine, if you see a factorial, if you see like some crazy exponent in the numerator or in the denominator, you can go ahead, well in that case you use P series, but you can go ahead and use a ratio test. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and I hope this video teaches that. We'll be doing an example here soon.